Eritrean flow from Asmara to Portland. 35 years of freedom. Let's go! Hey! From the Red Sea shores to the city lights, we rise together strong and bright. Through the struggle, through the pain, now we celebrate again. Voices up, let the whole world hear. Eritrea, we are here, hand in hand, side by side. Feel the fire, feel the pride. One night, one people, one future we believe. May 16, feel the energy. Live in Portland, don't you miss the vibe. Eritrea forever alive. One love, one heart, we stand as one tonight. Freedom shining in the light. Come and join, let your spirit fly. Independence never die. Music playing, saxophone cry, bassline moving, spirits high. From Asmara to overseas, we bring culture unity. Keys and rhythm, feel the sound. Horn and bass gonna shake the ground.